Okay, this is again me, my host Dennis. Of course, you know that I'm the one. We have been going through the Runyankole series. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Actually, when you go to YouTube and you load our videos, like this one, and then you're going to see something here that subscribe. So click on it, and this one, actually this. So make sure you click on this subscribe, and we will bring you more. Subscribe, hit that one, and then turn on the notifications. Turn on notifications, like, and yes, next time you'll receive information that we are alive. We are all ready for the lesson. Now we start today. Today we want to look. Thank you. You know, we have been going through lots and lots of lessons. So today we are looking at translating to English. We are now graduating to sentences, from words to sentences. Oh, this is marvelous. And thank you very much, because we have started our week 3. Woo! This is the 3rd week of our training. And 3rd week is special because we are starting with sentences. Translate to English. Hindura kuza omurujungu. English is called the orujungu. Oh, amarwa ni marungi konka nyowe tinganywa. So here are sentences. Ni nyanga amarwa, tindi kwenda kusinda. Amate ni marungi kandi nobushera ni burungi. Munywani wawe nakunda kurya ki, kandi iwe nokunda kunywa ki naki. Nyowe ninkunda kunywa amate n'obushera. Omwojo naza ahishomero. Naza kutebekanisa omuka. So we translate here. Amarwa ni marungi konka nyowe tinganywa. Amarwa is alcohol, ni is good, marungi, but konka, me, nyowe, I don't drink it, tinganywa. So I've used colors to show you the meaning of the words that are used in the sentence. Ni nyanga amarwa, I hate alcohol. Tindi kwenda kusinda, I don't want. Tindi kwenda kurya, I don't want to eat. So tindi kwenda is I don't want to be drunk. Ku is to be. Amate ni marungi kandi nobushera ni burungi. Milk is good, but also porridge is good. Naza kutebekanisa omuka. I'm going to prepare at home. Naza kutebekanisa omuka. Ninza kutebekanisa omuka. Naza, this one is she. She's going. She's going to prepare at home. Naza. If it was going to be I am, it was going to be ninza. Munywani wawe nakunda kurya ki? What does your friend like to eat? Kandi iwe nokunda kunywa ki naki? And you? And you like to drink what and what? And you like to drink what and what? And you like to drink what and what? So one you is going to, and you like to drink what and what? One you is going to disappear. Nyowe ninkunda kunywa amate n'obushera. Me, I like to drink milk and porridge. You can follow the colors. Omojo naza aishomero. The boy is going to school. The boy, is he or she? I think you get it. The boy is going to school. Hindura, translate. Nitunywa mate gatarimu shukari. We drink nitunywa milk amate without gatarimu shukari, sugar. Joseph nakunda kunywa, nakunda kawa. Joseph loves coffee. Konka, but munywani his friend Peter nakunda obushera, loves porridge. Amarwa gashisha amaka. Alcohol spoils homes or families. Spoils homes or families. You get it? Tugende omumaisho. We go in front. Tugende omumaisho. Tugumizemu. I like tea. Hindura omurunyankole. Translate to Runyankole. These are English sentences. So we're going to see how we translate them to Runyankole. I like tea without sugar. Ninkunda chai etarimu shukari. Oh. If you want to say I like tea with the sugar, ninkunda chai erimu, you remove this ta. Ninkunda chai erimu shukari. He is not eating meat. Tari kurya nyama. Ta. He doesn't eat meat. Takurya nyama. Peter is drinking beer in a glass and conversing with his friend Joseph. Peter nanywa beer omugirasi kandi naganira na munywani we Joseph. It is good to eat with a fork. Nichirungi, it is good. Kurya, to eat with a fork, nehuma. Knives peel well potatoes. So we got to here. This one I've put it so that you can practice and then you check in the preceding video. Yeah, this is nice. Knives peel well potatoes. Emisyo nehata je ebitakuli. Nehata je, nehata. Thank you very much. Webale munonga. Or you can say mwebale munonga, because you can either be plural or singular. Do you have rice, chicken and cassava? Mwine omuceeri, enkoko na muhogo. If it was one person, it would be oyine. Oyine omuceeri, enkoko na muhogo, when you are meaning one person, because you, I don't know whether it is many people or it is just one person. So even here it can be mwebale. Mwebale munonga, because there may be many. If there are many, you say mwebale munonga. This is for plural. Plural. Then this one is for singular. If you want to say oyine omuceeri, enkoko na muhogo, that's one person. Mwine omuceeri, enkoko na muhogo, that is meaning many people. You are welcome. Twakwakira. What have you ordered for, sir? What sir? Chi. That is what have you ordered for. Then sir is sebo. We don't have beans and fish. Titwine ebihimba n'ebyenyanja. Give me a glass of banana juice. Mpereza egirasi yeshande. Hindura omulunyankole. Oh, this one seems I'm repeating it. So we have the grammar negatives. But before we go that negatives, I think that exercise of translation, you need to master it. So there goes our lesson, and we shall add on.